This is a Nice Spido Sp6000 mainboard, which has a problem. I will show you which one. I cannot open the door. There is no noise, there is no activation of the motor. I checked this, I checked this. This is the transformer. You have the input, 20 volts, and you have the output, which is with the 0. This is 22, and you have this one, the blue one, which is 40 volts alternative power. This is the power supply is going straight here. So you have the ground, which is the 0. You have, this is the ground, the yellow. But you will see on the main board over here that this, the ground and the black one, it's together, so they don't care about ground protection, the yellow one, yes. And the other two pins, remember this one is the 40 volts. Normally it's 48 if you measure this, and also this one, it's 24, is not 20. So the output for this one is 24. Also, if you read the documentation, when you measure this from pin number 3 and 4, you have the 24 volts. So all the main board works under 24 volts alternative current. There is this element over here, this black one, which is making continuous current, so DC, not AC, for the motor to work, because motor, you will see here, has 2 wires. If you switch the wires, you switch the rotation direction of the pinion. So this is how this works. Of course, you have this logical instruments with the, you know, end of the race for the garage opener. So my problem is that when you push this operational button, doesn't operate the engine, and you will see how it's acting right now. I'm going to plug this into the socket. Okay. So you have the blinking LED. So normally this is the normal operational way, and you have the engine. So I will push this one. You see, you have this shit blinking like this. You see? This. That's it. It's not working. Sometimes when I'm doing this one, but it's the same shit. You see? That's it. There is no, normally you should do the impulse and engine, the motor should run continuously until this one is stopping. So it's not going to do this. I suspect the condenser, maybe this one and this 2 over here. So what I did, I purchased them from a local shop, very low cost. This is like, I don't know, this is like €0.50. So the big one, it's 220 volts. No, 220 farads, microfarads, and this one is 50 volts. Original one is 35 volts. Also these ones are 47 microfarads. Oh shit, I don't see nothing. 47 and 35 volts. So I'm going to replace these 2 and this one, and we will see after if we have better result of operation on this device. I will make another video and I will upload as well.